Here's the instruction how to download and install Joyoshare UltFix software. Designed with dual repair mode. Repair 150 plus possible iOS issues with zero data loss. Compatible with all iOS devices and iOS 15. One-click option to free enter exit recovery mode. Joyoshare UltFix is available for both Mac and Windows. There is two types of repair mode: standard mode and advanced mode. With the help of this hassle-free iOS repair tool, you don't have to worry about the risk of data loss at all. Joyoshare UltFix comes out as a professional iOS system recovery utility to help you fix various iOS system issues and get your iPhone, iPad and iPod Touch back to normal at home without causing any data loss. It is 100% secure, and no one can access your data except you. Fail to restore your iPhone or iPad with iTunes? Encounter iTunes errors like error iTunes 3600. iTunes try to fix iTunes backup or restore errors by using Joyoshare UltFix efficiently and quickly. By the way, Joyoshare has a promotion with TNELF recently, which is up to 60% off. There is open mystery box activity, and a 4-in-1 bundle for Apple users, which include Apple Music Converter, iPhone Unlocker which can unlock iPhone screen, unlock Apple ID, Joyoshare UltFix iOS system recovery tool, and iPhone data recovery. Check the link in the video description to join it.